Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to tell you what all you need to pack if you are going for beach vacation. So I have been to Goa thrice, I have been to Pondicherry, I have been to Chennai, I have been to Rameshwaram. So basically I have been to a lot of beach places. I'm a sea baby guys. My entire childhood was around hills. My dad works for Coal India, so usually वो city के काफी outer में होता है, तो मैं जंगलों और पहाड़ों के बीच में ही रही हूँ. So I always loved the concept of beaches and living around it. So I might be a perfect person to tell you guys that what all you need to carry for a beach vacation. So yeah, having said that, let's just jump into the video. So I have noted everything in my mobile. एक भी point मैं miss नहीं करना चाहती. So first let's talk about outfits. Anything flowy will work. Either it's a maxi dress, it's a midi dress, kimonos, wraparounds, shrugs, anything will work which is loose and which is flowy. If you don't have kimono, then I already have a video in my channel. I guess I shot this 2-3 years back, how to make kimono out of a chiffon or georgette dupatta. If you want, you can check this eye sign out. And it's very easy guys, you can make it at home. You don't need any tailoring skills for that. Talking about the fabric, cotton obviously works always if you are in a hot and a summery place. But apart from that, you can obviously go for chiffons, georgette, lacy clothes, satin also. That also looks really nice. And the third thing is the color. Okay, you can go for any vibrant color except white. White is always an exception. Make sure to pack a lot of vibrant colors like yellow, orange, pink, green. Sand is white and brown, and like sea is blue, sky is blue. So pictures comes really good against these color if you're wearing a vibrant outfit. Next thing which could be very controversial is swimsuit. I know a lot of us don't like wearing swimsuit. I'm okay with the swimsuit top, but I don't really go for bottoms. So if you are someone like me, then pack a swimsuit. वैसे भी इतनी सी जगह लेता है, अगर नहीं भी पहन रहे हो तो वापस ले आनी है. But just pack a swimsuit. What if you feel like wearing it? You can wear a bikini top with a wrap around, with a skirt or anything. It looks really nice, really cute. Next thing which is very mandatory is cover up. So cover ups are like a short kurti kind of a thing. If you're wearing a bikini, if you're wearing a swimsuit, and even if you're wearing a small dress, you can definitely put it on to maybe save yourself from weird stare or maybe save yourself from sunlight. मैं जब गोवा गई थी first time, I bought a cover up from Goa itself and that helped me a lot. I'll put a picture here, you can check it out. I went to Pondicherry, so I was wearing a very small dress, and while riding a scooty or anything, I used to put it on. So either way you can use it. So pack a cover up, again very important. Apart from cover up, you can also pack scarves. You can obviously use it to tie your hair around. That looks really nice. You can go for the red ones, yellow ones, blue ones. I have a multicolored also, that looks really nice. And if not for your hair, then obviously you can wrap it around your bag. That also looks really nice. Yes, you can use scarf to wear as a top also. You just need to wrap it around your bra and you will be good to go. Apart from this, you can obviously pack few crop tops, few skirts, few shorts. I know a lot of you won't prefer going for short dresses. Then you can obviously go for maxi dresses and midis, like I told earlier in my first point, right? Moving on to the next thing, which is skincare, and obviously I'm not gonna include a
moisturizer and night cream and under eye cream.
Obviously not. I'm gonna include two products. First thing is sunscreen and second is aloe vera gel. Sunscreen is obviously very important. एकदम explain करने का need नहीं है. Why aloe vera gel? Aloe vera gel लगाने से sunburn पे काफी help होती है. That will give you a temporary relief from that pain and from that burn. Okay, moving on to accessories guys. Again, to elevate your
style, your beauty, your aesthetic,
you definitely need accessories. So first thing, a huge hat. Hat is always handy. ये sun से भी protect करता है.
अगर hat नहीं carry करो, then again you have to go for the scarf and umbrella and all of those
stuff. So carry a huge hat, again looks really nice and protects you from sun. Next is sunglasses. How can you go for a beach vacation if you're not carrying a sunglasses, guys? Sunglasses are mandatory again for aesthetics, for your style, but also to protect you from sun. So carry a huge sunglass, a nice quality sunglass, and yeah, your pictures would be rocking, darling. Okay, moving on to footwear guys. Do not pack shoes, okay? पूजा ने यही गलती की थी when we went to Pondicherry. उसने shoes pack किया,
वो ऐसे भागते ऐसे पानी में चली गई.
फिर shoes गीले हो गए, फिर shoes सूख नहीं पाए, फिर वो मेरी slippers पहन के घूम रही थी. So don't wear shoes. बहुत बार पानी में जाते हो, you are always around water, around sand, और shoes बहुत क्लमजी और बहुत मेसी हो जाता है. So always pack 2-3 slippers. Go for slippers and flats. And if it's of rubber material and all that silicone material, then it's perfect. So next thing which I prefer at least is not to pack perfumes, because perfumes I feel is mostly for a sophisticated place. अगर तुम dinner पे जा रहे हो, if you're going out for brunch, but if you're going for a beach place, then try to pack body mist and deodorant, because that is something which will help you to control body odor. Perfume का उतना body odor से काम नहीं होता है. So carry strong deodorant. That will help you obviously with the fragrance, but with the hygiene and body odor. Next thing is razor. So my method of hair removal is waxing, but I always try to carry a razor because यहाँ वहाँ से पता चला बाल निकल के आ रहे हैं. So emergency में razor ही काम आता है. I don't like using razor at all. And the last thing which is very important is I guess hair spray, क्योंकि बीच के hair serum guys. If you're around beach areas, humidity की वजह से बाल बहुत फ्रीजी हो जाते हैं. I am almost straight hair type, लेकिन फिर भी बीच के अराउंड मेरे बाल बहुत अजीब से फ्रीजी और कर्ली से हो जाते हैं. Though I like it, but still some of you would want to use it, would want to make your hair look good, all neat and clean. Then you can definitely pack a hair serum. That's all guys. I'm not gonna talk about makeup because I don't use makeup at all and I don't carry jewelries at all because मुझे ऐसा लगता है बहुत sticky सा हो जाता है. So for me, like a nice poppy lipstick and maybe a huge sunglass and a hat is all good to go. I tried it once जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम गोवा गई थी. फुल ऐसा फेस मेकअप की इतनी गर्मी थी, मैंने 2 मिनट में जाके धो दिया. I'm like I'm never gonna do makeup. तो अगर मेकअप करना ही है, so you can carry a blush or maybe a lip tint which you can apply on your eyelid, on your face, on your cheek a little bit and maybe on your lips. That'll work really well. So yeah, that's about it for today's video guys. I hope you like it. I hope this video was really helpful. Yeah, I mean if you're going for Goa or maybe any beach places, you can definitely watch this video. This video will be really helpful while packing. And yeah, I'm running out of breath. I hope you like this video guys. Give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on social media. My profile would be popping on the screen and would be linked below in the description box. Make sure to go and check it out. It would mean a lot if you follow me there. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.